Hello friends, welcome to Veena's Blue Roses. Today I am here with a small recipe, a breakfast recipe which can be made so easily. That is kappa pulku, or it is made out of cassava. For that I have soaked this green gram, then tapioca chopped like this, tapioca or cassava chopped like this, then grated coconut and green chili, then onions. Instead of onions, you can take shallots or small onions, that tastes really good. Then pepper and some cumin seeds. Then again green chilies, then curry leaves. The taste of this is really good. You can try it out as a breakfast. This much ingredients only we needed. So let's begin. Now to a pressure cooker, add these chopped cassava or tapioca. Then to it I am going to add these soaked green gram. This soaked green gram is optional, but this green gram enhances the taste of this cassava. Now green chilies. I love generous amount of green chilies to it. Now add pepper and peppercorns and cumin seeds. That according to your taste you can add. Now salt. Little turmeric powder. This is an easy, simple recipe. Just add water enough to cover the items. Now add onions. Definitely if you have shallots or small onion, take that one. That tastes really good. I didn't had while I was making this, so I have taken this big onions. Now cover the lid of the pressure cooker. Wait for 4 whistles or until it's cooked. So in the meanwhile, we can just grind this grated coconut and green chilies. Just give it a crush. So let's see after 4 whistles. So now it's done. Now the pressure has gone completely. Now open and see. Now it's done. You can see everything has cooked thoroughly. So now to it I am adding the grated coconut along with this green chilies. Just crush and add. This breakfast used to be my dad and my brother and my favorite recipe, which my mom used to make every now and then whenever we get this fresh cassava from our garden. So this is one of my favorite recipes. The green chili in this tapioca tastes really good. This we can consider as a full meal because of this tapioca consists of more carbohydrate and starch. So this makes a full meal. Sometimes I used to skip lunch and instead of rice I used to take this alone. Let some of the water remain in this. As the time goes it will thicken. Now to it let's add the curry leaves. This is the traditional recipe, and without coconut oil and curry leaves, this recipe you won't get that full complete taste of this recipe. So if you want to get the real taste of this one, prepare in coconut oil. Just I'm going to drizzle coconut oil at the final stage, and don't omit coconut and this curry leaves because that gives the real taste of this full pulku. Now add salt, as salt was less when I tasted. So add at this stage if you need more salt, and instead of peppercorns and cumins you can add pepper powder and cumin powder as well. If you don't like to bite the peppercorns you can add pepper powder. This is such a wonderful easy peasy recipe which you can make in no time, and here goes some drizzle of coconut oil. Now after pouring coconut oil you can directly switch off the flame. That's it. Our breakfast is ready. Green gram gives you protein and this tapioca gives you carbohydrate. And this papadam is optional, but it really goes well with this recipe. So give it a try and let me know your feedbacks in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to Veena's Blue Roses for more such videos, and remember to press the bell so that as and when I post new videos you will get notified.